If you would like to purchase this product, use the product link in the description below. It will help support our channel. Or you can support us on patreon.com/simplyhamradio. Here's my GRC X3B body camera. Got this about 7 months ago. It's a 128 gigabyte version. There's two little volume things in there. One of the switches was plugged in but broken, so somebody from the factory did it wrong. And also the battery connector must have wiggled its way out, me dropping it, throwing it on the table, throwing it between the center consoles. It fell off the center console once, hit the floorboard. But the big thing was, over the last few weeks, it would not charge, would not hold a charge. I didn't know that the little power plug worked its way out of the socket. So I took it apart. Oh, there's this four, I think they're a little 1.5. Let me get the light on. I can't remember if those 1.5 or 2 millimeter hex heads, Allen keys basically. Take that off. There's a weather stripping in there. Be careful of the small little wires. And I pulled the plug out and put it back in with a little blunt punch to make sure I wasn't forcing it, gonna crack it. And after wiggling things around and wiggling the power cable for the screen, that was slightly undone. The power cable for the battery. We can now turn it on. Well, I went to audio mode. I pushed the wrong button. Let me shut that off. Let me go over here. I even know my camera. Is turn it on. It's going to be the bottom button over here. I haven't used it in a few weeks because it wouldn't hold the charge. It wouldn't even charge. The light screen wouldn't even come on. When it came on white. So a bunch of plug connections were just... There we go. So we got it to come back on. But the problem is, up here there's two sets of plugs that run to the top of the circuit board inside. One plug is damaged. It looks like it's been damaged since day one. That's probably why my audio would cut in and out. Not audio on the recorder or anything like that, but the beep sounds in and out of the camera. But anyways, we got it working, got it resurrected. So anyways, if you have problems with your GRC X3B, chances are it wasn't manufactured correctly.